Welcome to the evolving landscape of DOLCE Mall and Signature Residency, where vision meets reality. In Phase 1, we've completed the first basement and are gearing up for the second. Phase 2 has reached ground level with 3 basements, showcasing remarkable progress. The heart of our current focus lies in Phase 3, where meticulous excavation is underway. 70% already completed. By the time Phase 1 ascends to ground level, Phase 3's foundation will stand tall, seamlessly intertwining progress across our visionary project. Join us on this journey as we construct not just buildings but a legacy. DOLCE Mall and Signature Residency, where dreams take shape.